Marhaba! Assalamualaikum. My name is Normala Kawasa. I'm 40 years of age, married, and I have three children. The eldest one is a boy. He's already at 13 years old. The second one is a girl. She is 11 years old. And the youngest one is 2 years old. It's a boy. I'm a college graduate in University of Mindanao Cotabato College, taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education. My first work here in the Philippines is a private tutor and also a substitute teacher. And my first abroad is in Saudi Arabia last 2007 until 2013 as a dental assistant in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And then my second experience in abroad is in Kuwait, being a household worker last 2015 until 2017. I also worked there as a nanny. I taking care of my youngest son of my employer, the newborn baby. I taking care of him. I do some making food for him, and also I take care of the two children of my employer, the 7 years old and also the 11 years old, and also I tutor them and a basic English subject. I'm hoping that you accept me, my dear employer, that no worries about me because I'm a hardworking employee and I'm a hardworking man. I do some dishes, of course, um, and of course, especially, I love children because I have children also. No worries about me because I'm willing to do everything everything that you need in me, especially to taking care of the baby or the household. I'm hoping that you accept this video and you accept my my what's called this rather you can hire me as your nanny, inshallah. That's all. Masalama.